Hey, my name's Stretch. Don't call me Paul. Street Machine Limousine. Here we are again. We're going to talk about the duck truck. As you may know by now, there's good news and bad news. The bad news is the Ducks are no longer. The good news is the Anaheim Ducks. We're going to be here with a new look, same great hockey. This is what we started out with. Basically, I'm going to do the thing with the new color as I did the old color. I have to put a base coat down. I spent the weekend with the stripper. Paint stripper, that is. And I pulled the window out that unfortunately got broken. The Orange County theme, we're going with bright orange. And you know it isn't perfect, it's art. It's not supposed to be perfect. It's supposed to get your attention. So I'm getting ready to do the install on the satellite dish, and I'm just trying to decide where it's going to go. Good. It's like I'm handing one of my children away for adoption. It's all be all right. Here you go. Enjoy the ride. Stretch out.